Most people think attraction is about looks or money or status, but emotional attachment, that runs on a completely different system. It's quieter, more psychological, almost invisible. And the truth is, most men completely miss it, because emotional attachment doesn't happen when someone is impressed by you. It happens when someone feels safe being emotionally seen around you, not judged, not rushed, not treated like a performance, just understood. And once that emotional switch flips, something interesting happens. A woman doesn't just like you. Her mind starts returning to you. Your conversations replay. Your presence feels different. Your energy becomes familiar, almost comforting. So today, we're breaking down 7 behaviors that quietly make women emotionally attached to you. And some of these might surprise you. 1. You actually listen. Without trying to fix everything, picture this. You're talking with someone. She's explaining something stressful from her day. Most guys jump in immediately. Here's what you should do. Why didn't you just say this? You're overthinking it. Problem-solving mode. But here's the psychological twist. When someone shares emotions, they're not looking for a mechanic. They're looking for emotional acknowledgement. And when you listen, really listen, something powerful happens. Her brain starts associating you with emotional safety. Not pressure, not judgment, just presence. And emotional safety is one of the strongest foundations of attachment, because when someone feels emotionally safe around you, they come back. Again and again. 2. You stay calm when emotions get intense. Here's something most people don't realize. Emotional attachment grows during emotional moments, not just happy ones. Think about it. Anyone can be fun when everything is easy. But what about when someone is stressed, upset, overwhelmed? If your energy suddenly becomes defensive, irritated, or cold, her brain reads that as emotional instability. But when you stay calm, when you hold emotional space without panicking, you become something rare. Psychological grounding. Your presence feels steady, and that steadiness creates something powerful in human psychology. Trust. Because deep down, people attach to those who make their emotional world feel less chaotic. 3. You let her discover you slowly. Mystery isn't about playing games. It's about not dumping your entire life story in the first 2 conversations. Here's the thing about human curiosity. The brain loves unfinished stories. When someone slowly discovers layers about you, your experiences, your values, your weird habits, your perspectives, their mind starts doing something interesting. It fills in the gaps. And the more someone mentally engages with figuring you out, the more psychological investment grows. It's like a book you can't stop reading. Not because everything is revealed instantly, but because every chapter makes you want the next one. 4. You show genuine interest in her inner world. A lot of conversations stay on the surface. Work, weekend plans, random small talk. But emotional attachment forms when someone feels like you see who they actually are. Not just what they do, but how they think. So instead of asking predictable questions, you ask things like, what made you start thinking that way? What's something people usually misunderstand about you? What kind of environment makes you feel most like yourself? Now something shifts. The conversation moves from information to identity. And when someone feels understood at that level, their emotional radar starts marking you as important, because people attach to those who see them clearly. 5. You're emotionally consistent. Here's a psychological truth most dating advice ignores. The human brain craves predictable emotional energy, not boredom, but consistency. If someone never knows which version of you they'll get, warm today, cold tomorrow, interested one week, distant the next, that creates anxiety, not attachment. But when your behavior feels steady, your attention genuine, your reactions authentic, something powerful happens. Her brain stops scanning for emotional danger. And when that mental guard drops, attachment has room to grow, because emotional consistency creates psychological safety. 6. You have your own life and direction. Here's a counterintuitive truth about attraction. People become more emotionally attached when they feel like they're stepping into someone's world, not becoming someone's entire world. If your life already has purpose, passions, friends, movement, then your presence carries a different kind of energy. You're not searching for someone to complete you. You're inviting someone to share the journey. And that difference is huge, because emotionally healthy people don't attach to neediness. They attach to stability with space. A life that feels full, but open. 7. You make her feel emotionally seen. This one might be the most powerful of all. Sometimes emotional attachment forms through something very simple. You notice things, not just the obvious stuff, but the subtle signals. Her nervous laugh when she's unsure, the way her energy shifts when she talks about something she cares about. The small details most people overlook. And when you acknowledge those things not in a creepy way, but in a genuine, thoughtful way, something clicks. Because feeling emotionally seen is rare. Most people move through life feeling like background, noise in other people's stories. But when someone notices your patterns, your moods, your inner world, you suddenly feel understood. And the human brain attaches deeply to people who make it feel recognized. Closing, so here's the truth most people miss about emotional attachment. It's not built through grand gestures. It's built through psychological moments. Moments where someone feels, he listens, he understands, he's steady, he sees me. And when enough of those moments stack up, something subtle happens. You stop being just another person in her social circle. You become someone her mind naturally returns to. Not because you forced it, but because emotionally, being around you feels different. And in a world full of noise, that difference is powerful.